Having trouble with the SIM activation service is running error on your Xiaomi Redmi phone? This usually happens because of a problem with the SIM card activation or app permissions. No need to stress. Here are some simple and fast fixes to help you get it working again. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Allow SIM activation service all permissions. If this is a new SIM card, it may still be waiting for carrier activation. So let's go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Apps. Tap on it. Then on Manage Apps panel, tap the search bar. Search for SIM and select Xiaomi SIM activation service. Tap on App Permissions from here. Make sure to give this setting all the permissions. Tap on each of the permissions option from here and confirm the permissions individually. Once all the permissions are given, go back to App Management Settings. This time, search for Find Device. Once this app shows up, tap on it. Now select Clear Cache and confirm your choice. Then force stop the app. After that, restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 2. Enable Airplane Mode. Airplane Mode can refresh your network settings in case the problem is related to a bug. Swipe down from your phone to open your control center. Toggle on Airplane Mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Once that's done, try checking your issue. Hopefully this time your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix this error on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more easy phone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.